Hey guys, so I'm doing a kind of an experiment today. I'm doing my 5 box fan airflow. I'm doing an airflow test with my 5 box fans, and I'm gonna aim them at that one, that fan. That's the 12-inch Lasko table fan and it doesn't have its front grill on. So and it's also not plugged in because we're doing the airflow test, like I said. Let me zoom the camera out. Okay, we have all these box fans. We have the Aerospeed, back there is the Lasko Premium. We have the Hager box fan. We also have the Utilitech and this Lasko box fan. I'm gonna save probably that one for last. So let's get started, shall we? The one that I want to start with first is the Aerospeed. Make sure it's not too close to the fan because we don't want it to be like that. Okay, it's pretty good. Make sure that it's not in the frame. This one has a gray cord, if you're wondering what it is, and it has a wavy grill, like I said when I made a video on it. So here we go. Here is high, and this only works on 2 speeds, so it's only high and medium. So here's high. Come on, there we go. Now it's working. I might have to prop it up a little bit. Okay, it's doing the work. Let's do a bit of time speed up a little bit. Medium. Medium is just the lowest speed that this thing can run on because because if I turn it to low, it's not going to work. And this would be low, but that's off. You're just gonna have to bear with me. So this thing is a bit unlucky. Next up is the Utilitech's turn. This one is just made completely of plastic, unlike the metal frame that the Aerospeed uses. It does blow a lot of air, but it is quite noisy. It's probably the loudest box fan I own, probably. But let's see if it actually works. There's the air mover. Here's high. Just wait for it. There we go. Oh, this one actually gets it up to speed faster. I think, I think that's as fast as I can get it. So this one's actually going faster than the. This one is actually moving the blades faster than the Aerospeed. Medium. Low. There's off. So overall, I'd give the Aerospeed for airflow a 7. This would be a 9 because it's very powerful, even though it's noisy and it's made of plastic. So, but I definitely approve its airflow. I think we should do the Hager box fan next. This one is a unique one because it has. Okay, let's see if we can get it in the frame here. Okay, it's plugged into that outlet, so let's plug that real quick. Yep, and we're gonna use this for the airflow test. This is unique because it has smaller grill slats in the middle, and it has a folding handle too. And a flat switch. So let's turn this around like that. It's a bit, okay, there we go. Now it should be in frame. here is the cord. Here is, it starts from low speed, so we're just gonna, there we go, there's high speed. Oh, it's not even moving it. Okay, I think it has to be closer to it because it's not moving anything. Medium. It's moving it, but it's really slow. Well, the hair box fan did not work that good. So, there we go. Number 4, we have the Lasko Weather Shield box fan. This one actually is, this is actually a date back to early Lasko box fans. I just realized that it's not gonna go. It's just blocking the view. So we have to make some space here with the other box fans. So there it is, Lasko Weather Shield box fan. In frame, it's not in frame. Okay, so here we go, and here is high. I'm assuming it's gonna do a similar thing to the Utilitech. Oh yeah, this one actually gets it up to speed faster than the Utilitech. I might need a support for this thing, but yeah, this thing is pretty powerful and it's also not too loud either. There's medium. There's low. Very quiet, but the airflow is starting to kick down a little bit. So there is the Lasko Premium. It's good for airflow, but it does fall over quite a lot. Finally, we have the Lasko 3733 box fan, your average cheap box fan from Walmart. Now it's not, it's in the off position because that's what we need it to be in. And it, okay, here's high. Oh, this one's actually powerful. Well, this one is pretty powerful actually. Might need to aim it a little bit more. There's high, medium, low. So that was actually pretty fun. Yeah. Let's go ahead and do a recap of these box fans. Which one did you guys enjoy best? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.